Welcome back to FX Sword Art. Today I'll be showing you how to draw Cappy from Super Mario Odyssey. For this tutorial, you're going to need a permanent marker, a paper, and colored pencils. The first thing we want to do is take our permanent marker and draw like a raindrop shape at the top of the paper, like that. And then right next to it, we're going to do the same thing, but a bit smaller. Also, it's flipped. And then at about the middle, we're going to take it and do a line across like that. And then another one here. And they should be about the same size, but if they're not, that's fine. So we're going to bring these down like that. And like that. Then we're gonna curve these around to connect them, like that. And then we're gonna take this line and curve it, but not connect it. And then do another one here. And then above these, we're gonna do another curved line here. He has a lot of curves, so just bear with me. Next, we're gonna do two ovals in the middle for his eyes. And they should be pretty big because that's most of his body. And then inside of these, we're going to do two more circles. Okay, and then we can color these in with a permanent marker. Now that we're done with that, we're going to do two more circles inside here, like that, and then another one here. Then we're going to do two more, in each one actually, because we're going to do a half one and then another one here for the highlight. Then we're going to do the same thing here, like that. And like that. And then we can color this part in. Okay. Now that we're done with the eyes, we're going to do a strip coming from here to here. Now that we're done with that, we're actually going to put our permanent markers off to the side because we're going to be taking a blue colored pencil and doing the bottom because it's a bit transparent. Translucent, actually. So we're going to come from this line here and do a curve out, and then we're gonna curve it back in with pretty much the same shape as this thing up here. And we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Like that. And then from about the tip here, we're gonna bring this down and around like that. And then we're gonna do a little squiggle thing here and then bring it back. Like that. And it should end at about the same line as this is curving out. Okay. Now we're going to move on to the actual coloring. So first I'm actually going to shade this in like that, but that's just part of the coloring. I'm pretty much done with the coloring. As you can see, I shaded this a bit, and also the eyes come from black and then down here they're red. Also, this part is half blue, half white, and it doesn't have to be a straight line, as you can see, because it's hair. And also, he kind of visible has these lines for like eyebrows. Not eyebrows, but just like a crease, because he's a bit mad, determined, something like that, I guess. So yeah, you can draw that line. I did. And that's pretty much it. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to like this video and maybe even subscribe. Bye.